Okay, this is going to be a bit of a longer one because we're going to do a lot of different calculations to try to determine the optimal business outcome. So in this worksheet, we're looking at the effects of combo pricing on profit. So this workbook has a couple of worksheets. We have order history, which contains a lot of transactional data, fictional transactional data for a restaurant. And we'll perform some calculations here. Basically, we sell a couple of different things. We sell Whopping Macs, medium French fries, and medium drinks. We make different amounts of money on each one. So we're assuming that in this restaurant, we have no combos. People just order everything separately. And so we want to introduce potentially the concept of, give me a Whopping Mac combo. People get fries, drink, and the Whopping Mac for one price, maybe at a discount to encourage people to add additional items to their order, some of the higher profit things. So first thing we do, we want to go to the order history worksheet and calculate this data. So we can see for a combo, this is going to just be a function. Here we've got a Whopping Mac, French fries, and drink. It's a 0 if they did not order it. It's a 1 if they did order it. So if the Whopping Mac is a 1, and the French fries is a 1, and the drink is a 1, then it's a combo. So it's going to be true or false. So I'll copy that down. We'll see. Here we got a couple of trues. It's because on these transactions, people ordered all 3. So that's good. Profit per item. So we're just going to refer back. So the profit of the Whopping Mac, I'm just going to refer. So I'm going to say equals. We have the profit for the Whopping Mac there, which we haven't calculated yet. French fries, we're going to refer to the medium French fries profit, and the drink, oops, not the negative, equals then the drink profit. So that's not super helpful there yet. Let's look at this combo analysis. Let's calculate that profit now. So we have the menu price and the cost to make. So we're just going to subtract the cost to make from the menu profit. So we don't make that much money off of the Whopping Mac. We make a lot more money selling soft drinks, which is true for restaurants. So the total cost to make a combo would be $3.15. Just adding up the menu price of those items would be $5.55. So at the menu price, we'd make $2.40 selling all 3 items to an individual customer. So I come back to order history. We can see there, I'm going to hit escape because I don't want to copy or paste anything now. I've got these values here. So I can see the profit. So when someone ordered a combo, I've got that $2.40 there. So this is just, multiplying the price of the Whopping Mac. Let's do this formula. Let's do it. Equals the number of Whopping Macs. Here it's 0 or 1, but times the Whopping Mac plus the number of French fries times the profit for French fries plus the number of drinks times the drink here. So we copy that down. Whoops, what was my mistake? That was no good. I need to make the references to J2, J3, and J4 absolute references because I'm always going to refer to those cells in the same spot. So there we go. That will make sense. Okay, now let's do some numbers here. Total number of transactions. So I can use the count function here, and I can pick a lot of different columns. I can pick ID, the number, so that's fine. The count function will work just fine. How about bought all 3? How do I calculate that? Well, I could do, here I could do a shortcut. Sum if, oh sorry, count if the range, because I've already done the math, the formula to calculate that, and I need to add in my criteria, true. So there were 356 combos bought. So what about people who bought a Whopping Mac and fries only? So it's a Whopping Mac and fries, and drink would be 0. So we can use the count ifs here. Okay, so Whopping Mac, shift and down. So that criteria will be a 1. All right, the criteria range 2, so French fries, I want that to be a 1. And for a drink, oh, looks like I had a mistake with that range there, so I'll need to fix that. That should be a 1 also. So we got a little problem. Let's change C5 to C2. And let's check. Oops, I made a mistake. So Whopping Mac and fries only. So I put a 1 for the drink. So the drink is in E2, so that should be a 0. Let's fix that. Okay, so that's good. Okay, that formula was kind of a beast to make. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select all that stuff in the formula bar and copy it. Rather than copying the cell down, I'm going to copy the contents of the formula down. And I'm going to paste it in here. So I want Whopping Mac and drink only. So drink will be a 1, fries will be a 0, and Whopping Mac will be a 1. That's good. So who's getting the drink and the fries? So let's see, Whopping Mac would be a 0, drink would be 1, and fries would be 1. So I'm going to change those both to 1. Who's getting a Whopping Mac only? So that's going to be 0 for the drink, 0 for the fries, 1 for the Whopping Mac. Who just wants those delicious salty fries? That's going to be 0, 1, 0 there. And the drink only, we're going to paste, hit F2 and then paste. So the drink only, that'd be 1, 0, 0. Okay, so sanity check. I'm going to sum all these numbers. They should add up to 1,000. Okay, and they do. So I've got every possible combination of orders that people can make here. It's either a combo, the either bot. There's only the combination of 2 items that I can have, and the combinations of just 1 item. Those 3. So it adds up to 1,000. So total non-combos, 1,000 minus the number of combos. That means 644 people did not buy a combo. Okay, so that's useful to know. If I'm trying to encourage people to buy more stuff, that 644 people, that's my target audience. So what's my average profit? So I'll say average, not average, average, order total profit. What's my average profit for the non-combos? Okay, so this I'm going to say equals average if. So the range is the range that has my condition that I'm going to check for. So I'm going to check if it was a combo. So G2 to the end. So the criteria, I want non-combos. So I'm going to say false here. And the average range will be the profit column. So my average profit when people don't buy a combo is just $1.20. When people do buy all 3, the average profit for those, when people, the average customer is giving me a profit of $1.63. Of course, the profit of the combo is $2.40. So I can double my if I can convert somebody who's not buying a combo to a combo, I can make a lot more money. So this is the start of our calculations, but we've got to go even deeper into this. So let's go to the combo analysis. Okay, let's say, for argument's sake, we want to incentivize people to buy a combo. So we're not just going to lump everything together to make the process of ordering easier. We're going to incentivize them by giving them a slight discount. So we're going to assume that discount is 10%. So the discounted combo menu price will be equals the menu price times, so it'll be 1 minus the discount, $5. Okay, that looks good to me. Sanity check, 10% of $5.55 is 55 cents. So, but we're going to make less money if we do that. So if we take that $5, we're going to subtract our cost to make, and that's not discounted. That's what we have to pay. So instead of making $2.40 now, we're going to make $1.85. So that's a potential downside in this analysis. All right. Now, in B16, we're going to calculate the average profit increase per combo upgrade by subtracting the average non-combo profit on the order history worksheet from the discounted combo profit. So discounted combo profit, and we're going to subtract on the order history the average order profit for non-combos, $1.20. Oops, what did I do there? Oh, I put a parentheses in there. Excel took it off for me. I don't need any parentheses there. So I can, basically what that means is my people who aren't buying combos, I'm earning $1.20. If I can upgrade them and make $1.85, that increases 64 cents my profit per customer. Okay, this is good. So in B17, calculate the total profits from the order history worksheet. So total, I'm going to think sum there. So I'm going to come to order history. I've got my order profit in column F. So I'm going to do Shift and down to add up all of those. So I made $1,629.65 there. Order history combos sold. So just refer to the number of combos sold. Okay, so I sold. I'm going to do Control Home to get to the very top. And combo sold was 356. Just refer to that number. Now projected combos sold. All right. So in B19, calculate the projected combo sold by multiplying the history of combos sold by the expected combo increase in B13. So I'm going to multiply 356 times 1 plus that 10% increase. And that'll be a decimal number. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to assume I can sell 6/10 of a combo. Maybe that's right at midnight and it applies part to one day, part to the other. But that's fine. So projected combos profit, I'm going to have 391 combos. I'm going to multiply that by $1.85. So I'm going to make $722.50 there off of combos in the month. Now in B21, subtract the number of projected combos sold from the total number of sales. Okay, so if I have that many combos, I'm going to have, total transactions minus 391. That means I'm going to still have 608 that are not combos. Okay, and so those people aren't buying anything more, so that their profit is going to be the average non-combo profit. So I'm going to multiply that times order history $1.20. So projected total profit is going to be the non-combo profit plus combo profit. Okay, and my change in profit. So originally, I had $1,600 in profit. Now I have $1,500 454. So I'm going to subtract. Okay, I come up in the red. Oi. So what does this mean? It means that if I encourage people to upgrade to combos and I charge a 10% discount for people buying all three, even if I convert 10% of my, or increase the number of combos by 10%, that's about 30 people. That's not giving me enough incentive. I make less money overall. So this is a bad idea. Despite the fact that I'm selling more product, I'm making less money. Okay, so why is that happening? Well, previously, let's think about it now. I had been selling 356 combos. If those were people buying those without any discount whatsoever. By offering a discount now, I'm actually just eating away the profit from those customers. So that's actually no good. What if I play around with this? What if I change my combo discount now to 5%? Okay, I'm still losing more money. That's not good enough. I would have to hope to increase my number of combos that I'm selling. Gosh, how much? Quite a bit. So I see here that if I only provide a 5% combo discount, I'm going to need a really big increase in the number of combos sold in order to make this profitable. So increasing the number of combos I'm selling by 40%. I don't know that this is necessarily a good idea with my current menu structure right here. So you'll have to play with this. This is a realistic situation that you might find yourself in, even if you're not working for a restaurant. But if you're selling products, you have to decide, when is it a good idea to discount my products? How can I properly incentivize people to buy my product and still make money? Because you can sell more product by lowering your price, but you might be eating away your profits if you're not, making up for that decrease by decrease in price by increasing volume or something. So feel free to play around with these numbers and come to a determination what you think would be appropriate for the business to do.